students. Good afternoon. Today I am discussing the new chapter number 4, sorting of materials into group. Sorting of materials into group. Let us start the chapter and we understand the meaning of sorting. Sorting means to put things into different groups, into different categories on their similar property or their quality. And so sorting means classify or put into category or arranging items in different sets in sequence on the basis of similar or like properties. For example, there are 44 students in your class, that is 6A, 44 students. Categorize or group the all the 44 students into two categories like boys and girls, and total number of students of in the class 6A must be 44. This is the first activity to understand sorting. You can do it in your notebook after copying the material. The second activity for you, that is a group your notebooks or copies into different subjects. Make the columns: 1 subject, second column number of notebooks, subject Hindi, English, maths, science, social science, Sanskrit, and last is if any other like art, SUPW, etc. Open your bag and first you put the notebook in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups, like notebook for Hindi, notebook for English, notebooks for maths, science, social science, Sanskrit. Write down the number in this column and do the total. This is the total notebooks in your bag. Now the question is for you. You observe many items, many objects, things in your house, in your school, or in your surrounding, like playground or other places. So write the round shaped items or objects: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 objects having round shaped, like example orange, football, cricket ball. And the other part of the question, this question is other shaped things. It means object having shape other than round, triangular, rectangular, square, etc. So from your observation put the items, 5 items of round shaped and 5 items having other than round shape. The next question for you during the class, this class, you eat many items after buying it from shops and at your home. Write down the 7, 1, 2, 3, 4 after making the column. First, second, third, 3 columns. Eatable items. Items that you eat like chocolate, kurkure, roti. These are eatable items. And the other column which you have to fill, non-eatable items. Non-eatable items. For example, book. Book is the object that cannot be eaten. We don't eat a book or a football. So these are non-eatable items. Now for your home assignments. Question number first. Name 5 objects which can be made from wood. Wood items made from wood like bed, chair, etc. Second question, which among the following are commonly used for making a safety pin? Safety means used to put paper or documents together. Wood and glass, there are 4 options. Wood and glass. B. Plastics and glass. C. Leather and plastic. And the fourth one, that is D, is steel and plastics. So only one is the most appropriate answer for the question number 2. And now the homework. Question number 3. Name 5 objects or items made of paper. Paper which is used to make items like envelope, book, copy, etc. So read the today sent materials prepared by me and observe the video and understand the terms. Note down it in your copy, and home assignment is done in your homework copy. These are 3 questions for homework. Question number 1, 2, 3. Have a nice day. I hope you will understand the target terms, target topic, target target material, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.